FIA Assistant Director Complete Solved Paper 2020. The chemical name of table salt is sodium chloride. The blood vessels that take oxygenated blood from the heart to the body are called arteries. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. The amount of matter in an object is called mass. Light year is a unit of distance. Diamond is composed of a single element, carbon. Another name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Hepatitis A is transmitted to different individuals by water. Study of plant is called botany. Substances that allow current to pass through are conductor. Clocks, which moves with the velocities comparable with the velocity of light, run slow. The animal which captures and readily kills living animals for its food is called predator. In a railway track, two rails are joined end to end with a gap in between them because accidents due to expansion in summer can be avoided. Name the famous book of Ibn Sina in which he discussed human physiology and medicine is Al-Qanun. Ada bin Hatim Thai embraced Islam in 9 Hijri. Masjid Khif is located in Mina. Sahib As-Sir is the nickname of Hazrat Kuzaifa. In which surah of Quran there is mention of Zulkarnain? Surah Kaf. First Mujaddid was Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz, who was the second one? Ahmad Sirandi. The foundation of Bait-ul-Hikmah was laid down during Umayyad dynasty. Kitab-ul-Am is written by Imam Shafi. Imam Shafi took the office of religious judgment in the age of 15 years. Which one is called Masha-ul-Haram? Muzdalifa Valley. Wealth obtained from a mine is liable to humus. When Zulfikar Ali Bhutto launched a new constitution in the country? The 14th of August 1973. Who abrogated 1962 constitution and became CMLA? General Yeha Khan. When the constitution of 1962 was abrogated? The 25th of March 1969. Which kind of system of government was introduced by the 1962 constitution? Presidential. What was the official language declared in 1962 constitution? Bengali and Urdu. When Ayub Khan enforced a new constitution in Pakistan? The 8th of June 1962. When the first constitution was abrogated and martial law was proclaimed? October 1958. Who abrogated 1956 constitution? Iskandar Mirza. What was the official language declared in 1956 constitution? Urdu and Bengali. In respect of religion, what term was set for President and Prime Minister in the 1956 Constitution? He must be a Muslim. This condition applicable only on President, PM may be non-Muslim. Which country is the biggest producer of uranium in the world? Kazakhstan. Largest airport of the world is King Fahd International Airport, Saudi Arabia. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? Pacific. How many official working languages are recognized by UNO? 6. World Trade Organization was established in 1995. The permanent secretariat of SAARC is established at Kathmandu. The headquarters of Red Cross is in Geneva. On the map of the world, which country appears as Longshu? Italy. The world's highest mountain is in Nepal. Dinga Bhasha Dam has been planned on the river Indus. The first Earth Day was observed on April 22 in the year 1970. What is the largest country in Africa? Algeria. The Iran-Pakistan-India gas pipeline is also known as Peace Pipeline. Who was Nicolas Sarkozy? French president. Which of the following international organizations has no formal structure and secretariat? G8. Name of Bangladesh Parliament is Jatiya Sangshad. The headquarters of the UN Security Council is located at New York. The official languages of NATO are English and French. Which country is the world's top supplier of weapons? The USA. Which of the following countries has no armed forces? Iceland. Which of the following is the storage device that stores the operating system and application programs? Hard disk. If they had gone through the novel, they would have understood the plot of the movie. Our father advised us not be sad, as he thought that his decision would bring betterment in the long run. Why are you playing video games all the time? You have to complete your task already. The woman I spoke to turned out to be very kind and cooperative. Are they going to visit the Hiran Minar, while they will be in Sheikhupura? Sohail could have done better on the test, if the instructor had discussed these concepts in the class. He eventually reached a decision to give up, coming home late at night after the dacoit manhandled him. He admired having seen the musical show at the party since it was not that appealing on television. Police have been questioned, 2 men following robbery in commercial market this afternoon. If they had bought new batteries, their torch would have worked better. He is French. For some reasons I was under the impression that he was Italian. Fossil fuel, which is a source of energy, has been known to the mankind since the mid-17th century. He keep trying to contact the nearest police station for the last 20 minutes. Which word is the opposite of valiant? Cowardly. Which word is the opposite of pertinent? Irrelevant. Which word is the opposite of bleak? Bright. Which word means the same as adamant? Obstinate. Which word means the same as deferential? Obedient. Which word means the same as coerce? Compel. Which word means the same as blatant? Obvious. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and useful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel. If you found this video helpful, a thumbs up or a like would be greatly appreciated. Your support motivates us to create more content to assist you in your journey. We also encourage you to leave a comment below to share your thoughts, suggestions, or any questions you may have. We love hearing from our viewer and are here to help.